Hello everyone, this is Satya and you're watching Sagan's English. First, thanks for clicking my video, and today I'm back with Tuesday English expressions. And always we used to say to the children, don't do that, don't go there, don't use chewing gum, don't drink and drive. So we see lot of expressions using the don't. Yes, you're correct. Today we are going to discuss about the word don't. So why we are using don't and what is the use of it, and we are going to see some sample sentences using the don't. Are you ready? Let's get going. Welcome back. In today's class we are going to see what is the form of don't, how to use don't in sentences, and I'm going to give a snippet at the end of the video. First, I will say why. Ye use panano. When there is a no, there is a yes. When there is a day, there is a night. When there is a positive, then there is a negative. Then when there is a do, then there is a don't. So do use panna, don't use பண்ணி தான் இருக்கணும். எப்ப செய்யின்னு சொல்றோமோ அப்ப என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? செய்யாத, பண்ணாத, போகாத, சாப்பிடாத அப்படினு சொல்லி we always give the negative sentences also. For that case we need to use this word don't. Now we see how to use don't. So the format of don't is don't plus base verb. So don't plus ஒரு present tense base verb use பண்ணணும். போகாத அப்படினு சொல்லணும்னா don't go. Go is the base verb. Don't eat. Eat means சாப்பிடாத. Don't plus base verb. So in this way we are going to use. So we can use all imperative sentences using this don't. So வண்டியில போகும்போது நீங்க பார்த்திருப்பீங்க don't drink and drive. So don't plus base verb வந்திருக்கு. Don't loud horn. Don't use loud horn. School zone, hospital zone அப்படின்னு போட்டிருப்பாங்க. So don't plus base verb. Don't smoke அப்படின்னு போட்டிருப்பாங்க. So all these words or all these sentences or imperative sentences when it is a command or a request. So now we are going to see a list of sentences, bunch of 10 sentences in this video. So the sentence number 1 is don't goof off. Don't goof off, which means ஓப்பி அடிக்காத அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கு we can say don't goof off. Number 2 in our list is பொறுப்பை தட்டி கழிக்காத அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So how to say don't shirk your responsibilities. Don't shirk your responsibilities or don't shirk your work. S-H-I-R-K. This is a verb. So தட்டி கழிக்காத அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கு we have to use don't shirk your responsibilities. Number 3 in our list is don't be sluggish. மதன்னு இருக்காத. Don't be sluggish. So sluggish can be used as a adjective and can be used as a verb. So இங்க நம்ம verb use பண்றோம். Don't be sluggish. Next one is don't spin a yarn. Don't spin a yarn அப்படின்னா கதை கட்டாத, இஷ்டத்துக்கு நூல் சுத்தாத. Yarn means thread. So some people used to say cocktail story சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பாங்க, மற்றவங்களை பற்றி ஏதாச்சும் ஒன்று கதை விட்டுட்டே இருப்பாங்க, ரீல் விடாதன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. லைக் தட் we can use it in English. Don't spin a yarn. Next one, don't trample on the flowers. Don't trample on the flowers, which means பூக்கள் மேலே மிதிக்காதீங்க, பூக்களை மிதிக்காதீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறதுக்கு we can use the verb trample. Trample. Don't trample on the flowers. Next, number 6 in our list is don't try my patience. Don't try my patience. This sentence is most probably used with the children by teachers and parents. என்னையோட பொறுமையை சோதிக்காத அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறதுக்கு we use don't try my patience. Don't try my patience. Next, number 7 in our list is don't sit cross-legged. Don't sit cross-legged. You must obey the elders. So கால் மேல கால் போட்டு குழந்தைங்க உட்காரும்போது நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் don't sit cross-legged. So sit is again a base verb. Don't sit cross-legged. Number 8 in our list is don't let your mind wander. Don't let your mind wander, which means உன்னோட புத்தியை அலைய விடாத, உன் புத்தியை மேய விடாத அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கு we can use don't let your mind wander. Next, number 9 in our list is don't preempt. Don't preempt. Don't preempt means preempt is a verb here. முந்திரி கொட்டை மாதிரி முந்திட்டு பதில் சொல்லாத. So முந்திரி கொட்டை மாதிரி முந்தாத அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கு we are using this word preempt. Don't preempt. Next, number 10 in our list is don't ruin my reputation. Don't ruin my reputation. என்னோட பேரை கெடுத்துடாத அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுக்கு we can use don't ruin my reputation. So these are all the bunch of 10 sentences. Hope you like these 10. Okay. Now we are going to see the snippet of the day. So what is a snippet? So many people asked me, குண்டு சட்டியில குதிரை ஓட்டாத அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா? How can we use this? So again we have to use don't. Don't confine yourself. Don't confine yourself, which means some things cannot be literally translated into English. சில proverbs literally அப்படியே translate பண்ண முடியாது. So உன்னோட ability-ய ஒரு அளவுக்குள்ள உன்னால confine பண்ணிக்காத, ஒரு லிமிட்குள்ள உன்னை உள்ள அடக்காத அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுதான் don't confine yourself. Okay, I hope that you like all these 10 sentences. You can also comment me, is there any different sentences using don't? You can comment me in the comment section. I'll go and check it out. If you like this lesson, if you like my work, then give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel. I'll meet you with another interesting lesson.